Interpretrain presents our new online workshop on real-time remote, a time-efficient and cost-effective alternative. Let's face it, whether you like it or not, remote interpretation is now essential, and it's here to stay. That's why it's important for you to be prepared for the current needs of the marketplace. There are two main ways to offer interpreting services remotely. Consecutively, the interpreter and the speaker take turns. Simultaneously, the interpreter and the speaker talk at once, without taking turns. Both alternatives offer great advantages, and also present certain drawbacks. Remote consecutive interpretation tends to be much slower, and simultaneous remote interpretation requires paying a monthly fee for a conferencing platform that specializes in this mode. That's why this workshop is designed to give you more options to interpret remotely, adding a new tool to your professional toolkit, giving you more resources to adjust to different conditions in your remote assignments. Real-time remote offers many advantages. It's easy to use. It's much faster than consecutive remote. It's less disruptive to the speaker's flow of thought. It enables more real-time interactions among participants. It's less mentally taxing on you. Therefore, it increases your chances of being accurate. It requires no monthly fees. It works with all types of telephone and video conferences, so you can adapt to your client's preferences. It requires no internet connection. And it's proven to be a huge success among people who use interpreting services. During our workshop, you'll practice real-time remote until you ace it. Sign up now and empower yourself with real-time remote.